Welcome to this video, and thank you for tuning in. Today, I will guide you through the process of enabling USB debugging on your Android device. Many people need this feature for tasks like connecting their phone to a computer, using development tools, or transferring data more effectively. First, open the settings on your Android phone. Next, use the search bar at the top and type Developer. Then, tap on Developer Options from the list that appears. If you do not see this option, make sure you have enabled Developer Mode on your phone. I have included a video link in the description to show you how to enable Developer Mode if it is not already available. After that, scroll down inside Developer Options until you find the USB debugging setting. Finally, turn on USB debugging and confirm the pop-up message that appears on your screen. Enabling USB debugging on your Android phone is quick and easy. It gives you access to advanced functions, better connectivity with your computer, and allows smoother development and troubleshooting. Please remember to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.